buhay natin, may mga bagay na minsan gusto pa natin gawin. Halimbawa, meron ka ng trabaho, okay ka naman, you are healthy-wise, something like that. So, may mga gusto ka pang mapatunayan sa sarili mo at may gusto ka pang gawin. In short, you have yearnings, you have desires, you have wants in life. So, ang ginagawa ay either you have to do something else about your dream, your goals, or okay lang, ganyan, kontento ka na kung anong meron ka, diba? So, nung in 2020, nagbabrowse ako, sabi ko, ano kaya ang pwedeng dito, pwedeng pakakitaan, maganda. That's before pandemic. And then later ko, na-encounter ko si Starlight's Adventures sa Facebook. So, in short, I registered. I started with their package, the smaller package. And then after 3 months, there is promo. So, green up ko yun. So, that is during the pandemic. It was September, October of 2020. So, bakit ko green up? Kasi, ito yung So, before anything else, sino nga ba si Star Legends Adventures, right? Si Star Legends Adventures is a travel and tour company. Our goal is to promote the Philippines kasi we Filipinos are the most credible people to promote our own country. And then, ano pa ang goal ni Star Legends Adventures? Is to support Filipinos worldwide to launch their businesses in a small amount of capital or a minimum amount of capital. Kasi marami sa atin na minsan, travel and tours, ang mahal niyan. But you don't know. Pwede kang magsimula sa kaya mong halaga. So, ngayon, ako, tinutuloy ko yan. So, now I'm in the company for 3 years now, right? Going to 4. Years ago, 2 years na ba? Or less than 2 years. I trained as one of the top coaches. And I'm so grateful and thankful for that opportunity because parang ang sarap kasi once you are a coach, you are halfway to fulfill your goal as a social worker. And I'm a social work by profession. Our profession is geared towards helping other people, right? And ang tinutulungan dito ay hindi lang ibang tao, kapwa mong Pilipino. At hindi lang yun, Pilipino na nasa ibang bansa. Hindi lang nasa Pilipinas. Alam mo naman ng Pilipino na kahit saan tayo, nandiyan lang tayo, di ba? So happy to let you know that we are thousands of affiliates all over the globe. Ang nag-i-start, especially sa mga OFWs, di ba? So, and marami na sa kanila ang umuwi to choose to stay with their own family in the Philippines at itinutuloy nila yung kanilang business. Kasi yun ang goal ng ng OFW, to be with their own family. Minsan, ang hirap kasi yung hiwa-hiwalay, di ba? Siguro yung mga OFW dan ay nakaka-relate. Minsan yung mga pains ng mga OFWs ay yung mapawalay sa kanilang mga anak, sa kanilang asawa, sa kanilang mga magulang. Na minsan ito ay mitya ng paghihiwalay, ng hindi pagkakaintindihan. So, ang goal ng OFW is to go back to the Philippines kung hindi lang naman granted ng yung residency or PR sa kanilang pinupuntahan. At maliban dito, meron na rin iba kaming mga affiliates na nag-resign na. Minsan kasi ang mga Pilipino, alam mo naman kung gagaano magtrabaho yan, todo. Kayod dito, kayod dyan, right? So, meron mga 2-3 ang trabaho. So, ngayon, nagiging 2 na lang, nagiging 1. Tapos, minsan nagre-resign na rin yung iba. Kung talagang, may determinasyon sila dun sa business. So, bakit ko ito ikinuwento? Kasi hindi pa huli ang lahat. Tayong mga Pilipino are the most credible people, like what I said, to promote our country. Ganun kaganda ang Pilipinas. Kung lahat ng Pilipino ay nagkakaisa to promote their own country,